Before you sign up for HighLevel, check which trial page you're using. The standard HighLevel affiliate page often gives you a 14-day free trial, but HighLevel also has a bootcamp sign-up page that currently gives you a 30-day free trial instead. That matters because HighLevel is not the kind of tool you can judge properly in 2 afternoons. You need time to set up the basics, your CRM, pipeline, calendar, forms, automations, email, SMS, and maybe a simple funnel or landing page. A 14-day trial can disappear fast if you're busy running a business. The bootcamp route gives you more breathing room, plus guided setup support so you're not just staring at the dashboard wondering what to do first. There is one important detail. You usually still need to enter billing details, and while the subscription trial is free, communication usage charges may apply if you start using things like SMS or phone features. So don't treat the trial like a toy account, use it properly. Use the first few days to learn the layout, then set up one real business workflow such as capturing a lead, sending a follow-up, or booking an appointment, and tracking that lead in a pipeline. By the end of the 30 days, you should know whether HighLevel actually saves you time, money, and stress, or whether it is too much for what you need right now. If you want the 30-day HighLevel Bootcamp trial, I'll leave the link in the description and pinned comment.